Hey, what's up, Chiliz holder? What's going on? I hope you are all well. Today video is going very special for Chiliz holder. Absolutely, the Chiliz holder. This time you can see here the chant is absolutely goes down. Why they goes down? What we do in this situation? Sell, buy, hold. So this is absolutely very critical situation for Chiliz holder. Let's check out the live price prediction of Chiliz. Before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe this channel. If you just click on the subscribe button, then I inform you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. This is a very informative channel. Please click the subscribe button. So let's get started this brand video. First of all, guys, I gonna show you the last 1 day result. Last 24-hour result. You can see the changes as a negative minus 5.15%. They going down. So this is a bad result. You can see here absolutely the bad result, and I hope they change it and a good result. What you say? Can they change in upcoming days? Absolutely they change it. I hope they change it. This is the start of month and every cryptocurrencies as goes down. So first of all, I gonna show you the latest 3 days result. Then we decide. Then I gonna show you last one chart of last 1 hour. Then we decide to we sell, we buy, we or hold. So guys, this time the 3 days result, you can see the changes as absolutely a negative. This time the changes as minus 6.47% goes down. Congratulations, Chiliz holder. This time you have absolutely and dumping. What I say that absolutely, you see there's a chart result absolutely goes down, and totally they goes down. No dump here is a small dump, but again they're starting absolute small jump, and again they're starting dumping totally and last 3 days. And this is the first week of this month. Every cryptocurrencies goes down, so don't fear, my brother. Every cryptocurrencies goes down, and those I am a holder of 9 cryptocurrencies. So and just my three cryptocurrencies has gone up, and all cryptocurrencies goes down. So let's check out the last 1 day 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour. What's the situation of latest? So if you can see the last 1 hour result absolutely gone bad, minus 1.41%. they gone down, and you just see here the latest price is 0.4399 US dollar. So I hope they change and $1 US just in a mid of this month, and the start of this week. I hope they change and a good they give us a good result. They change. They're starting jumping absolutely like a rocket. They're starting going. So if you can see here, absolutely very bad dump and no jump. You can see a very small jump, but it's a good for this to they take a jump and those days also. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. This information is good for you. If this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. I am updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.